Good afternoon, sir. My name is Yugnesh Nair, son of Vijayan. My matter number is B0921100084. Today we are going to present about Hvac noise health awareness. Now I'm going to explain about noise health. Noise health are effects, the physical of psychology health, consequences of regular exposure to existent elevated sound level, which is consistent elevated sound level as well. Second point is noise from traffic in particular is considered by the World Health Organization to be one of the worst environmental stresses for humans, and second only to the air pollution. Got three ways to control or prevent noise health from HVAC system. The first one is upgrade your HVAC system. The fans, compressor and other parts are mostly like wearing out, causing the system to be noisy. Replacing everything with a newer, more efficient and quicker system will be certainly cut back on the noise. The second one is install sound booths. Aside from managing HVAC sounds are booths like excellent way to address unwanted exit noise and cross talk, which is installing sound booths in a simple way and doesn't require to the assistance of expensive professionals. The third point is vibration isolation, which is can use properly sized level of isolation mounts to keep vibration at HVAC equipment from being transmitted into the building structure as well. Here we can have a look on the importance of noise awareness training. The noise awareness of training is regular exposure to loud noises can affect your hearing as well. Noise at work also can reduce workers' awareness of their surroundings, which is making accidents more likely in their daily life. Noise awareness training is an effective way of raising awareness so you can prevent noise damage to your hearing. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Kavirsan Rajendra. My metric number is B0921100273. I'm going to talk about the types of noises and hazards. There are four types of noise hazards. One is occupational noise, recreational noise, environmental noise, impulse noise. First of all, you guys have to know that what is hazardous noise is any sound that frequency in a high pitch, intensity, which is loudness, and duration, the length of time, can cause permanent hearing losses. First of all, occupational noise can lead to decreased productivity, communication difficulties, and other safety hazards. Hence, noise safety programs and control measures are encouraged and are considered the responsibility of employers to protect workers' health and safety. Recreational noise can lead to hearing loss, sleep disturbances, stress, annoyance, and other health problems. Also, it can have negative impact on wildlife and disturb natural soundscapes of ecosystem if proper measures aren't implanted.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Uman bin Asnur. My metric number is B0921100313. I present about environmental noise. The point of environmental noise is can negatively affect human health. It can also disrupt the environment, including animal behavior and feeding pattern. A few common examples for environmental noise is transportation, industrial activities and neighborhood. For transportation, example is road traffic, train and the other. For example, industrial activities is operating machinery, construction. And for example, neighborhood, motorized gardening equipment, noise house appliance. Okay, next one is impulse noise. Impulse noise carrying a sudden sharp sound often caused by a brief sudden increase in decibel. Some examples include a sledgehammer blow, explosion, or gunfire. Also, this type of noise is most prevalent in the construction and demolition industries. Workers in this sector use heavy-duty equipment and perform disruptive processes that create impulse noise. The impact of HVAC noise on well-being. The first one, environmental stress. Excessive noise from HVAC unit can contribute to environmental stress. Continuous exposure to loud noise can lead to elevated stress level, which in can turn trigger various health issues like hypertension, migraine, and sleep disturbance. Second one, sleep disturbance. A good night's sleep is crucial for overall well-being, but HVAC noise can disturb it. Even if these systems are designed to be relatively quiet, some units can still produce noise level that disturbs sleep, leading to fatigue and reduced cognitive function. Okay, the third one, mental health impact. Noise pollution, including HVAC noise, can contribute to mental health issues such as anxiety and depression. Prolonged exposure to noise can also lead to irritability, mood swing, and difficulty in concentration, affecting one overall psychology well-being. That's all from me.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Amir Hakim bin Izizi. My number matrix is B0921104448. Conclusion. A complete strategy that takes into account vibration and acoustic threats is required to achieve comprehensive health and safety management. This entails carrying out in-depth risk assessment, putting engineering controls in place, offering sufficient personal protective equipment, encouraging staff awareness, and implementing training initiatives. Establish exposure limit and standards in line with regulation is essential to fostering a safe and healthy work environment. So this is the example video we get from outdoor unit. So let's play the video. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.